Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious lobster roll. First, select about 1½ pounds of fresh, cooked lobster meat, which is perfect for 2 generous servings. Ensure the lobster is thoroughly chilled before you begin. Carefully cut the lobster meat into bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1/2 to 3/4 inch chunks. This preparation ensures a delightful texture in every bite of your homemade lobster roll. Next, let's create the simple yet essential dressing. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of celery salt and a small pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Once the dressing is well mixed, gently fold it into your chilled lobster meat. Be careful not to overmix, as this keeps the lobster tender and succulent. The bun is crucial for an authentic lobster roll experience. Opt for New England-style hot dog buns, which are typically split on the top, not the side. Melt about 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and generously butter both the inside and outside of each bun. Toast the buttered buns in a skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and slightly crispy. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take your perfectly toasted, golden brown buns and generously fill each one with the delicious lobster mixture. For an extra touch of freshness and color, you can garnish your lobster rolls with a sprinkle of fresh chives or finely chopped parsley. Serve these delightful rolls immediately, perhaps alongside some crispy potato chips or a light side salad, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.